Hi, good morning once again. This is Lancaster, New City, MS 11 18 12. So let me take you up the steps so we can see what they have been doing. So here it is. Here. Now you see this portion of the wall is wet according to them. Must be a water leak. So this is the landing as you go up. That's the toilet. That's my bedroom. And this is the other bedroom. Now they've removed all the tiles. And let's go here to the electric. Again, the electric here. Look at it. Now if we have to troubleshoot and put in an extra wire, how do we do that? Because you see the work of the wonderful electrician. So that's one. And when you go out here, another one. You see? So that is how the electric has been done, and I had requested the contractor to replace it. Then he said they were going to tape it. But I said, if you tape it, there's all cement inside the tube or the hose. So if we have to troubleshoot and put in an additional wire or something, or if a switch is not working and we need to replace the wire, that would just be impossible. So what will happen? We'll have to break into the wall when the house is already done and painted and replace those tubes. That's utter nonsense. It should have been done when the house was being constructed and not leave it to us to have it done. Bro friends, that's another thing for you guys to think about. And I hope you're watching my videos, because every day I'm going to put up a video on YouTube so that you'll know what is happening with the house repair. Thank you for watching.